Hey everyone, for this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Instagram. Now, first thing you need to do is go to posts and select a photo you wish to schedule a post. Now, once you're in this page, you can go to advanced settings. And for this scheduled post setting, you want to make sure that you have this option on your advanced settings page. Once you schedule this post, you can set it a time or date in which you like to post a photo or a video. But if you still don't have the schedule this post option in your advanced settings, that means that this has not rolled into your account yet, or you need to update your Instagram app. And that's it. That's how to do the scheduling posts on your Instagram account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.